We are here in these really cool light up benches with these awesome lamps above us.
Stop number 7.
This is stop number 7, the luminous lawn at Enchanted Forest of Light here at Descanso Gardens in La Cañada, Flint Ridge. We had to do the La Cañada, Flint Ridge. I had to do it a few times. So this is actually, we're halfway through the event, but this is the start of our video. So you'll want to stay tuned because it is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, take a look at everything. I mean, the lights and the sound and being outdoors and, you know, in this like dark woodsy area, it's really an amazing experience.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, and we love Descanso Gardens. We're here for Carved and Halloween. Similar type event with lights, but this I think is more beautiful. So make sure you watch the rest of the video, but let's keep exploring. So we are in stop number 3 here at Enchanted Forest of Light at Descanso Gardens, and this is the Psychic Village. They are stained glass houses, but I think it's made out of plastic, but it's absolutely beautiful. this is the ancient forest going into Pixel Grove. This is absolutely amazing. I can turn off the lights so we don't ruin the experience. Saw there's several locations throughout the trail, but the kitchen at Descanso is up front. Everything here is always amazing. You can actually have dinner here or pick up food for a meal in the garden, but tonight they had white chicken chili, which looks and smells amazing, and then 2 tamales, 1 chicken and 1 beef, and then we got a couple hot ciders also.
That's Mexican hot chocolate.
Oh, Mexican hot chocolate, and then I got a hot apple cider. And anywhere there's hot apple cider, I get it. Let's try it. That right there is worth price of admission alone. It's that good. But very, very hot.
This one's chicken.
Chicken tamale? And it came with 2 salsas, red and green.
Red for the beef and I think green for the chicken.
I love the lighting. We're not using our lighting, we're using their lighting, but it's like tasty. It's like you're on a black box stage or something.
This is really
good.
Yeah. Oh, the beef one is delicious. They're both really good and they're not dry, which tamales tend to be if they're overcooked.
So yes on the tamales?
Yes on tamales.
The bacon wrapped street dog. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. I like the tamale, but this is better. Yeah.
That is delicious.
Here's zoom in on that.
Bacon.
It's like crispy
yeah.
Crispy and like juicy from the veggies. Yeah. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell as we have a lot more holiday events coming up. If you're not following us on social media, you can find us at The Funnel Cake Vlog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That was Forest of Light here at Descanso Gardens, and deal breaker event over. Complete disaster. They ran out of beef tamales when I went up the second time. Deal breaker. It was only 7 o'clock and they ran out of beef tamales. That's how good they were. We went back up for seconds. That's how good those tamales were. This was an absolute beautiful event. It's obviously taking place around the holidays, but what is very interesting is there's no Christmas music. There are no Christmas decorations. It's all about light and natural sounds and music. It's very soothing. Yeah, spa, zen. Very, very relaxing and a beautiful event, and they take full use of all their water features, reflecting the light off of the water. Just absolutely beautiful. So if you can make it out here, it runs through January 9th, I believe. The banner is right above us. January 9th, yep. Runs now through January 9th. I believe it is every night. It is Enchanted Forest of Light here at Descanso Gardens in Loch and Flint Ridge.